Alright guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you 3 different methods of cleaning coins that can all be done at home. And I have 5 coins for each method. Now I'm just doing this for fun, and if you're a coin collector you've probably heard this a lot, but never clean coins with actual value because it will destroy their value. I just think it's fun to clean coins that aren't old and have a lot of corrosion on them, just to see how it works. But don't do it with any coins with value.
Or else.
Now for these methods, we're only going to be using nickels, pennies, and quarters. So for the first method, we're going to be cleaning these coins, a 1980 penny, a 1960, 1962 penny, a 1963 nickel. Man, I should have read the dates before this. And then 2 quarters, a 1994 quarter, and a 2006. All fairly corroded. So we're going to use carbonic acid to clean these, which is carbonated water. It's also in soda, but soda also has phosphoric acid, so we're just going to be using really soda to clean these. So here's the drinking soda, not soda as in sodium carbonate. But you probably knew that when I said carbonic acid. So it's poured in this little glass. Save the rest and drink it. Here are the 5 coins, and let's just drop them in. Alright, there they are. So it's been about 4 hours, so let's take these out. So I have yet to look at these, so let's take a look. Before, after, before, after, before, after, and before, after, before, and after. So it worked well, but I feel like it took the luster away and just made them dull. And this one has that there because I was using a Dremel to polish it to see if it was copper, and an error, and it is copper, but I don't know if it's just plated or what's going on there. I think it's just corrosion. Method 2. Peracetic acid. 5% acetic acid, so does vinegar, and 3% hydrogen peroxide. Make an approximate 50-50 mixture. Swirl it and mix it up. Got the coins and drop them in. The coins will slowly react, so I'm going to leave it overnight when I sleep. It's better when you get the peracetic acid to a boil before you put them in, but my mom got sick and tired of acetic acid vapors because the stench is pretty terrible. And she also got mad at me for using the microwave for a bunch of science experiments because it's going to explode someday because I keep on making plasma explosion. So it's reacting, and I'm going to leave it to sit. It's getting a blue tint. Alright, so I was going to leave it overnight, but it's done reacting and it's been 4 hours. So let's look at the results. So I'm actually going to keep this solution for experiments and whatnot. So I'm going to pour it into a jar. But leave the coins in. Alright, let's take a look. Before. After. Before. After. Before. After. Before. After. And before. And after. This one formed some verdigris and made them really dull. Method 3. This method uses sodium bicarbonate baking soda. Alright, so here's basically what you do. This one is a little bit harder to do just because you actually have to use your hands and stuff. So just take your coins and put them in a bowl. You're going to take the sodium bicarbonate and just put enough to cover them. Like that. Now this is where it gets messy. You're going to take a little bit of water. That might have even been a little bit too much, but it will still work. And you're going to just kind of get this sludge, and you're going to clean the coins by wiping it all over them. It actually works kind of well. After I scrub them, I would just drop them into a glass full of water. So now I'm just decanting out the water, but leaving the coins behind. Now we're going to take the coins. We're going to just put them on here. Just give it a few good taps. And let's take a look. Before. After. Before. After. Before. After. Before. After. And before. And after. So thanks for watching, and expect more videos in this series. Bye.